I think I learned this trick because I saw a blogger doing it and I was like, that's pretty cool. So use a makeup sponge, and then I like using the flat side. And you can use whatever colors you want, and on your sponge, randomly apply polish. The reason I will be doing the purple after is because if I apply all 3 colors now, it kind of just overblends, and then the colors can get really mushy and not attractive as much because it gets too blended. So if you're working with like one color that's really dark, apply your lighter colors first before you go ahead and apply your dark color, because we don't want it to be overpowering. And that makes a lot more sense because I noticed that I would always end up running into the same issue. There we go.